Hindi ko pa alam kung sino, but I'm excited to know who that is. I'm pretty sure you guys might know who it is. Oh yeah. I haven't read the script yet, but yung nakita ko yung plot, sabi ko, uy, interesting yung kwento nito kasi it's very relevant, relatable na pinag-usapan natin dito, social media, marami ng social media personalities ngayon na gumagawa ng mga iba't ibang trend. Kaya when I saw the plot, sabi ko, ay, maraming mga relate dito. Kaya I'm super excited to see kung ano ba mangyayari sa movie nito. I mean, we read the plot, but not entirely, kahit kami surprise. So, looking forward to it at i-ready ko lang sarili ko matakot. Ayoko nagugulat eh. Pero ako hindi. I'm like Kobe mentality, hindi ako magugulat. So yeah, it's all good. People are used to seeing me very happy and very jolly. Ako, very positive person ako. Pero sa kwentong ito, nung nakita ko yung character ko, he's very quite reserved and quiet. Kaya I'm sure makikita niyo yung ibang side ko dito. And sana magawa ko ng maganda para matuwa kayo sa akin. And yeah, meron din daw siya girlfriend dito. Hindi ko pa alam kung sino, but I'm excited to know who that is. I'm pretty sure you guys might know who it is.